Coming soon, the most terrifying EAS scenario that is called the unknown virus in the EMOJI cast solar system. We will not introduce the teaser because it will contain of a little bit of nightmare stuff, and it will kind of like give you nightmares. So yeah, I'm not going to introduce it into the EAS scenario. So it might be upcoming to 2025 or maybe in a few months. And it will be shared to Lucy. So credits to her. So yeah. I'm going to give you more updates about this incoming EAS scenario. Bye!